Hey, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Now, have you ever looked at your garden and felt overwhelmed by weeds taking over? Don't worry, you're not alone on this one. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the most effective and satisfying ways to tackle those pesky invaders. And it's simply by using the technique of hand pulling weeds. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pulling weeds by hand, isn't that really tedious? But trust me, when you do it right, it's precise, thorough, and completely worth it. Let me show you how it's done. First, grab the weed firmly at its base, as close to the soil as possible. And this is the key right here, grabbing the base, which really ensures you're tackling the roots, not just the leaves. Next, tug gently but steadily. Now, don't rush it. You want the entire root system to come out of the plant. Leaving every tiny piece behind could mean that the weed will grow back, and nobody wants that. And here is the magic. Check the soil to make sure no root fragments are left behind. This step makes all the difference. If you see any broken bits, dig them out immediately. Now, hand pulling is especially effective for young weeds because they establish a deep root system. It's quick, it's targeted, and it gives your plants the space and the resources that they need to thrive. So next time you're out in the garden, don't underestimate the power of your own hands. With little effort and the right technique, you can stay ahead of the weeds and keep your plants happy and healthy. Got tips or questions about hand pulling weeds? Drop them in the comments below and let's talk about it. Until next time, happy bug gardening.